What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings and I have my beauty edit from FabFitFun for the month of March. That's what's inside, so let's get into it. I have really been enjoying FabFitFun along with Ipsy. Those are the two subscriptions that I will keep moving forward. First is the Glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow. I love Glow recipe and I just ran out. I had this already and I've gone through it. And yay, restock for me. Next is the Kula Do Good Illuminating Serum SPF. I do love an SPF, especially this time of year. I am in Florida, so I wear SPF year round. Wow, the bottle is gorgeous. It smells like sunscreen. It's on my nose. And it does have a little bit of a white cast. So I think I'll just be using this for the beach. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be using this under makeup. I'll probably just be using this by itself on beach days. Next, we have the Merit Signature Lip. This is in Mason. Ooh, very pretty component. Oh, the top. Oh dear, I'm gonna try it. It's always really a beautiful shade, but it's always disappointing when a brand new beauty product is completely ruined from shipping. But what a beautiful shade. It's like the perfect toasty brick terracotta color. And last in my beauty edit box is the ILIA Liquid Powder Chromatic Eye Tint. Ooh, it is like a pink copper. I do already have a liquid eyeshadow on from filming previously. It is this one right here. Let's see. I love these liquid eyeshadows. They're so convenient for travel or like when you're in a rush and you don't feel like using brushes. You could literally just dab it on and have a little bit more of a manicured look. Wow, that does stay blendable for a while. I can even feel it, it's still not dried down. So this is actually a really good product. ILIA, good job. And that is what was in my beauty edit for the month of March. If you like these videos, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.